most of us, collecting tens of thousands of dollars in our PayPal accounts is a daily fantasy. People from all around the world may use this website to cash out their genuine PayPal earnings. I'd like to have a look at these $5, $10, and $15 bills, which can go up to $100. And if you go down below $150, you can even get it up to $350. It's reasonable to say that they are effective. You don't need any prior expertise, money, or a credit card to get started. All you need is a smartphone or computer with an internet connection, which you can accomplish from nearly anywhere in the globe if you have a PayPal account. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it and how you can start making hundreds of dollars every day using PayPal. Before we go further to this video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Do you have an email account or do you check your email on a regular basis in a box? I'm referring to checking your email on Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, AOL, Outlook, and other similar services. Yes, you're in luck because what I'm about to teach you will allow you to earn anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000 simply by opening and reading emails. There are no difficult stages, no prerequisites for experience, and no hoops to jump through. Simply click open, read the emails, and you will earn money. The more emails you read, the more money you will earn. If you remain with me until the end of this video, I'll show you a few amazing additional strategies that will help you make 3 times as much money as the average person. These are some of the website's features. First and foremost, receive daily paid emails will be delivered to your mailbox. You can get your money right here with a quick payment processing within 24 hours. They will also offer a modest 15 pay limit, which means you can start paying out your earnings once you hit the minimum barrier of 15. Joining is completely free and you will not incur any financial obligations. If you activate your account, you'll receive a free $3 sign-up bonus. Take the daily paid service could help you make some more cash before we begin. I want you to double check that you have these 2 items in your possession. First, you must ensure that you have a PayPal account in order to collect your funds. If you don't already have a PayPal account, simply go to paypal.com and click on this button to create one for free. As seen here, you can join PayPal today and begin with a personal account. Number 2, I want you to make sure you have an email account. In fact, I propose that you get a Yahoo email right now. And when you search for Yahoo on Google, the first result is Yahoo Mail, which you can access right now if you have a Yahoo Mail account. You can receive various emails and start making money online as shown here. If you have an iPhone, you can download it from the App Store. If you have an Android phone, you can get it through the Google Play Store to get a free Yahoo email account. Simply fill out the registration form with your first name, last name, and email address. My second suggestion is to make use of the Gmail account, and you can get to this page by going to Google and searching for Gmail, then clicking on the first link that appears to create a free account. Simply click this link, put your first and last names, as well as your username and password right here. You can create a Gmail account for free. Gmail is now again available on the Google Play Store as well as the App Store. Now for step number 2, I'd like you to go to this website, paid-to-read-email.com. First and foremost, I'd like to show to you how to create a free account and receive a $3 sign-up bonus for no cost. You must first select your gender, either female or male, and then enter your initial name, email address, and password before clicking the sign-up button. You can sign up and receive a $3 bonus by clicking the send button as shown above. It's as simple as clicking that sign-up button as soon as you've completed the previous step. You can proceed to this page where you'll see thank you, Your account has been activated. Your paid-to-read email account is now active and your account has been awarded with a $3 sign-up incentive. This is a completely new account, as you can see, and you can see your cash, which is $3. Before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. You should now be able to see free ways to be rewarded for your online actions if you scroll down below. Take, for example, Cash Survey, where the price ranges from 50 cents to $1 every survey. Now, all you have to do is click on this button right here, and you'll be taken to this page. As you can see here, in Cash Survey, each completed survey can reward you 35 cents to $1. There are 3 main categories as a result of this. Number 1, your survey which you have unrestricted access. To the second category, opinion survey is also unrestricted. For the third category, Denotta survey, you have a maximum of 10 services. But they also claim that if I click on the survey button right here, it will lead me to this website and I can start taking surveys in as little as 1 or 2 minutes. And I can earn 50 cents just by doing that. All you have to do is select your gender. For example, male. Click the Get Started button, then enter your birth date. In this video, I'm not going to spend too much time. You can do it yourself because it is extremely simple. They'll deposit the money into your account. Once you finish the survey, I'll offer you a bonus tip right now to help you increase your revenue on this website. When you check into your account every day, make sure you complete all of the Denotta survey categories. Limited to 10 surveys, you can get $4. If you finish this category because you completed 10 surveys after that, you'll be able to access an unlimited number of surveys that will pay you up to $5 per survey. The good news is that you have an endless number of options in each of those categories. You may easily conduct surveys on your phone and earn $1 to $2, $3 or $4 for each survey you finish. You can go on to the cash offers if you've completed all the cash surveys. As you can see, all you have to do is click on this button to be taken to this page. Here, you can earn 50 cents for your surveys, 50 cents for opinion surveys, and 40 cents for Denotta surveys for cash offerings. This is an additional source of money that you can generate using the website. So moving on to the final income stream that you can generate, which is the most exciting portion of this video, which is simply reading emails and clicking on the link in the email. You only need to click Open to read emails, and then you may click on the images or the buttons, which will transport you to the website at random, as seen above. These directions will be followed. Okay, sometimes they'll give you instructions, but most of the time you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is to stay on the website for at least 30 seconds. So right here on the website, taking the 30 seconds verifies that you're a human and not a robot. Basically, you could just browse the rows by scrolling around the website. You can do this on your phone or your computer, and after 30 seconds, you'll receive your money and it will be credited to your account. So when we return to the dashboard, you can see that you received your initial $3 as a sign-up incentive. So right now, I'm going to open another email sent by this website and click on the bottom of the email to go to a random website. I don't have to care about the actual content of the email. I just have to open it and click on the bottom of the email to get a random website, and I don't actually do anything. As you can see, I'll only be here for 30 seconds, after which you'll be able to earn your money and deposit it into your account. One very crucial thing to remember is that when you go to the web page, all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom and back up the top. That is all you have to do. And then wait till the 30 seconds are up. And when I return to the dashboard after completing the offer, there is the 3 cents. One thing to keep in mind though, is that you may occasionally receive emails that pay you even more money. Once you reach 15, you can cash out all of your earnings, and one thing to keep in mind again is that they do have a special referral program. As you can see, when I click on the More button, you're able to come over to this website. By clicking on Refer Friends, you can earn more money by referring friends. You'll get 15 of all referral profits if you sign up right here. These are off of the wages of all of your pals, which is absolutely a free passive income, and you don't have to do any of the work on your own. Simply share this offer with your friends or other people and you'll receive 15 of their earnings without having to do any of the effort. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.